If your videos are still feel basic, you definitely missing out. These free sound effects to switch scenes, use to show transformation and aesthetic shots, use playlist. For piano nahi, typing, use keyboard. For photo pop-ups, use flash. To show, use embarrassed. To show awkwardness, use cricket. And yes, you can find all of these inside InShot for free. Save this and use at least one in your next video.